Yeah. This is Spy Part 2. I'm going to teach you what to do with the dead body if it's kind of noticeable. What you got to do is this. I'll tell you what it is after I show you. If he's actually still alive, why am I whispering? I don't know. Do you know why I'm whispering? Shut up, you don't know. Okay. Well, what you gotta do is this. He's still alive. Then you gotta stash the body somewhere that's not noticeable. Take a belt. I got the belt. Wonder if I should whip him or should I just drag him with it? First I'll whip him. Ow! That hurts! I don't feel like dragging him just yet. So I'm going to torture him some more until I get answers. What level do I get this awesome gun? What level?
56?
56? There is no 56. You're lying. Tell me. Tell me.
1. Level 1.
I got past level 1.
Level 2.
You're going to tell me and you're going to like it.
Level 70.
If there's no level 56, then how is there a level 70?
I know.
He's evil.
Yeah.
He just tried to look up my skirt.
What
What level do I get it? And what level do I rescue the princess? What level?
6.
6?
Yes.
Okay, because I'm only on 5. Thanks. Then what you gotta do, make sure, once you get your answers, kill him. And if that doesn't work, then, you improvise. I'm sorry if, like, blood gets on the camera. If it doesn't, then that's good. Shut up and you'll be dead.
I'm still alive.
He's still alive. I don't know what to do after this.
I'm dead.
Get in the grave. Get in the grave. Oh wait, that's not the grave. This is the grave. Get in the grave. Get in the grave. Get in. Get in. Get in the grave. Get in. Okay, he's dead. To level 6, I come. Thank you for watching.